hello. It's me, Sean again. It's been quite a while since the last review. Well, I was very engrossed in looking what's the difference between these two cameras. Well, what do I have here today? Today I have the new Sony NX cam. This particular model is called the Nx5. Very fresh from the oven and production unit I have here. Well, the most interesting thing is that this is the first AVC HD professional camcorder from Sony. A lot of us will be asking a lot of questions. Don't NLEs not like AVC HD very much? Well, we'll find out very soon. There's a couple of other nice features on this camera. I gotta say I'm really surprised. Number one is that it uses actually two memory cards, but the interesting thing this time is that Sony has allowed us to use SD cards, which we know is not proprietary, and that's a great move. Thank you, Sony. And of course there's other nice features like this flash drive that you can even edit on the fly. So without further ado, let's first look at some of the features close up, and then we'll follow on by some test footages. So this camera has very welcome 3 rings. This is the focus, zoom, and the iris. Unfortunately, they are not true mechanical stops. They are running on servo, so you really don't know where is the end. And this camera uses the nice CMOS sensors. They call it the XMOS, just like the EX cam. And over here you see this GPS tag. This is basically a function to tag the shots wherever you're shooting. So there's no tape deck, so you can see AVC HD under the XT cam, and then you can see below status check, picture profile, mode, menu. Then the menu is controlled by a jog dial, just like the Z5. Let's have it tilted a bit upwards. Right, so you can see it's push execute. It's a bit odd, I find it, the position, but it's still usable. And then you have a white balance preset. Oh yes, I have to mention that this camera has an on-the-fly manual keying of whatever white balance you want. That is really sexy. And we have of course the manual override functions. You can trigger this switch over here to go to manual, and then if you want to control the shutter white balance, you just press on the individual. Then they have also done up the mic portion. So this is a good thing. You can switch off, select your inputs over here, and then it's really very difficult to trigger accidentally. Then the assignable buttons, some of that here, and 3 more over here. You can always remove this. Okay, what is visual index? We'll cover that shortly. Okay, those are the XLR inputs. So this is a new cap. It's very nice. I mean, previously there are no cap, and you know, a lot of stuff can get in there. And then if you look over here, that's where the control for whether it's you need phantom power or not, or is a line input, it's all over there. No accidental triggering. Okay, so this is the rear of the camera. So you can choose all the interconnects over here, and you can also select the GPS function to be on or off. Okay, this is how we release the solid state hard drive. You can see there's an interface over here. Look at the power button. Conventionally you have on, off, and a VCR mode. Where is the VCR mode? Well, the magic lies with the visual index. Okay, so these are the control buttons. You can see this camera actually can handle time code, and once again it's that visual index. So what does visual index do? Let's take a look. Aha! Because it is now a solid state device, it doesn't go by it doesn't go into VCR mode anymore. So all you have to do is go into this visual index mode, and that's it. You can watch your footage. Okay, this is the LCD screen. It's essentially the same LCD screen as the Z5, if I may say. So look at this, very nice. There's a very nice dialable white balance here. It's really cool. Then this one you can choose is the shutter angle, and of course the gain and the f-stop. Then the peaking, it also tells you, it's at 70 the setting. And this is what we are shooting on, and FX is a mode of the codec. Then what's the remaining time left on this A cut? Okay, so you've seen the footages. What do you think? Personally, I'm missing some nice features that the XT Cam has, like the histogram, the 2 sets of different zebras. Those are very nice, but well, this is priced below the XT Cam, so I really shouldn't be complaining about that. The good things are really quite nice. It's like the solid state, affordable solid state media, either the flash drive or using SD cards. Those are really nice. And well, I guess this camera could probably mark a new era, saying goodbye to HDV. So those of you out there, don't be afraid. I really encourage you to try the HDV codec on your current NLEs. Who knows, you may love this. Well, that's all for today. Till the next time, I'll see you guys again. Bye bye.